Hello everyone. Today we are gonna solve a GRE sample question in algebra. If 3c plus 2d equals 8 and c is less than -1, which one of the following could be a value for d? And we should choose between these choices. There are two ways to solve this problem. The first one is that, and I think this is the standard way to solve this problem. We know that 3c plus 2d is equal to 8. Okay, so we can rewrite the expression like this. 3c equals 8 minus 2d. And c equals 8 minus 2d over 3. And we know that c is less than -1. So we know that because c is less than -1, so this expression should be less than -1. So 8 minus 2d is less than -3. -2d is less than -8, -3, and -2d is less than -11. If we divide both sides by -2, we should change the direction of inequality. And we have d is greater than 11 over 2, or 5.5. Between these choices, we only can choose this one. Remember that we can't select this choice because d should be greater than 5.5, not greater or equal. This is the first way. I think this way is the best, but there is another way that is not a perfect way, but we can use it in multiple choices question. The second way. Since we know that c is less than 1, we can replace c with -1. So -3 plus 2d equals to 8. And d equals to 11 over 2, or 5.5. But we don't know that d can be greater than 5.5 or less than 5.5. So we should replace something else. For example, we should replace c with -2, since c is less than -1. So -6 plus 2d equals 8, and d equals 7. Okay, so we understand that the restriction of d is 5.5, and we should have greater d. For example, 5.5, 6, 8, 10, and the interval of d is 5.5 to positive infinity. So we can choose this choice. But we should remember that this method works because our expression is linear. 3c plus 2d equals to 8, because the expression is linear, we can use this method. If the expression, for example, is 3 plus 2d to the power of 2 equals 8, we can't use this method. Since this method has some risk, don't use it. But if you don't have any choice, you can use this method. It's okay.